Hello everybody, hope you are doing well. Welcome back to Crypto Switzerland. I'm X0 from the Discord, and I'm gonna be quickly talking you through the most important support and resistance lines, which I also gave you an update in the Discord. For now, I'm gonna quickly talk you through the regions I gave you yesterday, where you had this region up here I marked. That was the Fibonacci pull from high to low, where you can see I wanted to short the 618, or basically I shorted the 618 in confluence with, at the time was a daily open, and in confluence with a point of control. So that's where I took my short. We kind of blasted through that a bit, got to the 786. I had my stop loss above these highs. And that's where sticking to your plan is really important, because if you see price coming up to your stop loss but not quite hitting it, don't get out of the trade. Your stop loss is at your invalidation. My idea was continuation of this downtrend. I put my stop loss above here. Could have also put my stop loss above the all-time highs, but I just want to have a little tighter stop loss. That's why I put it there. Closed most of my position down here, about 70% of my position, and let the rest ride. That's where my next supports come in, which I shared with you guys. And this support obviously didn't hold, but keep in mind, if support gets broken through, it becomes resistance. It does become resistance, and vice versa. If resistance gets broken through, it becomes support. So with that level, you could have shorted this level right here, which I didn't do. I wasn't at my PC at the time. I took this second short for a little later entry, closed it for about 1.5% profit, not that much, just a little scalp, because I was already in this long down here, which I closed also about 70% at the daily, put my stop loss in profit, and then got stopped out for the rest of the position. Also, this region right here was a 382 from a lower pull. It was actually this pull down here from this low to the all-time high. That's where the 382 comes in, and the 382 is a bullish retracement. Normally you don't want to lose the 382. I also had the golden pocket in here. Exactly this golden pocket, which gave me some nice confluence with this anchored VWAP, which got respected in the past also. And this time it actually got touched to the dollar, which was pretty nice. I didn't take my long down here. I took it about up here after I saw the reaction. And also I closed about, 70% of my trade up here and got stopped out of the rest. Now, this morning I shared another couple of support and resistance regions. My first region was down here, which we blasted through. So if you see no reaction at a support or resistance level, don't take the trade. You want to see at least a little reaction, and we didn't get it down here. I took no trade. Right now I'm waiting for this lower level to take another trade. Didn't enter into a long down here because I had no plan for this long. And you always want to plan your trades before they happen, so you can be prepared for everything. Now, the next support and resistances. I'm looking at this support because we have a daily horizontal right here, a naked session point of control, and the 236 from the big low. Yeah, I know a lot of lines, my eyes start to hurt, but I like to look at it this way. From this low to this high, that's where the 236 comes in. And that's why I have this region marked, because I think this is big support. Also with the 786 of this pull. So yeah, keep that level in mind. Next support I would look down to is this monthly confluence with the 618, which could also drop all the way to the 66, and confluence with the weekly and the 236 from the from the start of the overall uptrend, from all the way down here. Fibonacci from low to high, that's where this bullish 236 retracement comes in. That's where I also will look for my next trade. So now for resistances. As you might know right now, this support got blasted through. I view this as resistance right now. Because we had this support, broken through, now could come to resistance. Look at the reaction, guys. Don't just blindly take a trade, which I would never do. And then this resistance up here is also really nice. We had this support touched 3 times until we broke through. And now if support is broken, it becomes resistance. Simple as that. We also have a golden pocket down here, which is nice confluence. I would look up to the 6-6, even a bit higher. Could also deviate a bit, but that's the region I marked. So I'm looking at this region. Then the next thing is from the all-time high to this current low right now. We have the golden pocket confluence with the upper pocket, which I don't have a name for it now, but it's the 786 and the 85. Also in confluence with the naked point of control, as you maybe see. So that's my next area of resistance where I'm interested in taking a short. And my last resistance, before I see us coming to all-time highs again, is a merged point of control, which I put together in exo charts. I merged some volume levels together, so I got this big point of control up here. We also have a daily. And we have the 786. Yeah, exactly, 786. So you might also want to look out for this resistance region. But as always, guys, look at the reaction. Don't just blindly take a trade. Plan your trade. Know where your stop loss is. Know where your take profit is before you take a trade. That's important. Be prepared. Because we could also just see another 20-30% drop. I would not be surprised. Also or we could see a 20 or 30% pump. That's, yeah, these are all possibilities that can happen. And I just want to trade the levels that I have the most probabilities of price returning or giving a reaction, whilst looking at the reaction, of course. So have a nice trading day, guys. Don't be over leveraged. Plan your trades and keep safe. That's me signing out. See you in the next video or live stream maybe. Peace.